Here I have REALME C30, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So what you have to do is to just press power key plus volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot so easily. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down. So yeah, that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.